through the steps for how to sign up for your account with CoinW. So after you click our link, navigate to the top right corner to the sign up button. Then you'll be given the option to sign up via phone or email. Now enter your email address and click send. Now you'll get a prompt to verify. After you're done, you'll see the verification success message. Now you'll want to go to your email inbox and grab the verification code. Copy and paste that code into the email code field here. Check that you've read and agreed to the user agreement and click sign up. Awesome. Now you're in your profile. So to grab your user ID, you'll hover over this profile icon on the top right, and your user ID will be right here below your name. You'll need to input that in the form below.